So, as I sat down for your angel message, co creator, I heard steady. I heard steady as she goes, right? And then I went to put my phone down and all the cards fell. And as I looked down, the card breathe was up. And also opportunities for growth. Steady as you go, co creator. Breathe. Opportunities for growth are headed for this collective. Ashe. And the cards read, breathe. It's easy for me to return to the present moment simply by breathing. If I am feeling anxious or worried, I close my eyes and breathe in deeply. Ashe. As I picture myself filling up with white light. Then exhale and envision stress and tensions leaving my body. In this moment, I am free to gently stretch and open my eyes, feeling refreshed. Everything is happening for me and my evolution. These are opportunities for growth. I am not a victim of the things that happen. I take ownership of my life and make the best of my challenges along my journey. I see how difficult moments help me to become my best version, and I am thankful for them. Steady as you go, co-creator. Breathe. The opportunities are on their way. It's giving 2026 vibes. Ashe. Make sure you head back to your girl's page at the end of this month. Ashe, the beginning of January, for your 2026 energy reading and your monthly reading for January. And your angel number is 2424. Come on now. It's the synchronicities, mindfulness, gratitude, mindfulness, kindness, positivity. Embrace the beauty of each day, cherishing the moments that bring joy and gratitude. Practice mindfulness, appreciating the present and finding solace in nature's wonders. Surround yourself with laughter, co-creator, love, and adventure, creating a life filled with happiness, connection, and there it is again, growth. Namaste and Ashe, co-creator. Breathe. The opportunities are coming. Ashe, ashe, ashe.